Today I'm sharing with you the Bodiwell muscle massager. Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you the Bodiwell muscle massager. Guys, this is a vibrator kind of a muscle massager. It has 10 different options, which is more like attachments that you receive, which are specifically targeted towards different parts of the body and has 5 different vibration levels, so intensities, which you can choose from. So this is cordless. You need to charge it, and once charged, it works for like 2 hours or so. So guys, primarily this is, meant for people who generally have a lot of muscle pain, soreness out of like some athletic activity. It could be just like overwork on a particular day, sitting in a bad posture, lying in a bad posture, or simply like, I don't know, body stiffness maybe, or you could be recovering from an injury, so for during those tough days. So this is primarily a technology wherein it gives you this deep tissue kind of massage vibration. Once that reaches your the deep tissues, it just increases the oxygen flow, and that is how the healing starts. So if it's an injury, it will start getting better organically. Of course, it takes time, but if it's like minor soreness, you might feel relief immediately as well. So guys, using this massager is very simple. You just charge it with this cord that you receive, and once it's fully charged, you are good to go. Here's the power button that you use, and guys, pretty much you receive it like this. So this is the place where you attach, as I said, there are 10 attachments, so depending upon what body part you're working with. So for example, this one, the round ball, so it goes very easily, right? So this is for the the bigger muscle group, so you could use it for the thighs, for example. Then you have this flattish one, which you can just utilize if you feel stiffness, or at some part of your body you feel like the muscles are really tense, more stiff, so you can really soften those with this one. And guys, also this like bullet kind of thing, this goes very well with if you want to deal with like some specific trigger point, that kind of pain anywhere, then this is very effective. Then this U-shaped design for the spine, like it really works very well on the back. So guys, overall a very, very convenient, handy kind of a gadget, to stack at home, because this can be more like a family thing. Anyone could be having like a chronic inflammation or just a bad day with some stiffness, working too much out of a laptop. So it's not just about like athletic people or that kind of thing. Overall, it's, I think, a very useful and like I would say like a health and wellness kind of a gadget to stack at home, because not only we are dealing with like muscle stiffness and pain here, but also like muscle relaxation at times you need. Guys, another good thing about this massager is that it comes in a like packaging like this, the nice zipper kit, and it's soft and spongy, so I feel it can make like a nice gift item as well. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.